We're doing a Chrome delete.
Somebody needed a voice recording of what Windows sounds like a computer. That's what you sound like.
On a Tesla Model X P100D. Do the door thing.
So you guys didn't know on these Teslas.
Look at the little keys.
Is the car, and each
so
of these
cute.
is a button that opens the doors. So if you like double click it, it should work. So let me double click it again. There we go.
Ooh.
Suicide. Wait, no, these
No.
aren't suicide. Butterfly.
Yeah.
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 They open like
Call
wings.
them Gold Wing. Gold Wing
wings?
doors.
What's a gold wing besides a Honda motorcycle?
Yeah. Butterflies. Oh, speaking of a butterfly, look at this little dead guy. Dang, bars. We gotta get rid of all this chrome.
Oh, look at that.
Bye bye.
Look at the kids' feet.
Oh wow, that's fancy.
So we got one of them for putting the little iPad so you can...
Look at that thing. Big old huge. Yeah, 3 rows. What? Wow, that was
This
fancy.
is the car that'll make America lazy. You don't have to barely do anything.
Ooh, carbon. Oh, look at those blue glitters. Stripper dust.
Babe, I promise I wasn't at the strip club. It was a client's car.
No, yeah, there's a little snowman over there on the window. Look at these doors, though. Ooh.
That's a fancy gauge. Oh, look, autopilot. Hell yeah, that's cool.
Oh, bet we gotta go do that and take a nap.
Right. Look at the battery, though. The car's gonna die.
Oh, yeah. Hey, out there. Ooh, that's loud.
Tesla horn's pretty loud. Get some fancy ergonomic cup holders.
Ooh.
That's
Nice.
that's nice. This is something to get used to. That's
The whole, like, massive windshield.
It said saving dash cam footage.
That's fun.
Yeah, it's nice. I knew Tesla was gonna have some type of like connection where it's like whatever you do in the car, it's
Right.
gonna send back to.
Eagle F1s, huh? They got race car tires on it.
Right. But yeah, we're doing a full chrome delete on it. We're gonna make this thing look badass.
Super fancy. Tesha.
Yeah.
Bye bye, Chrome. No room at all.
Rheumatoid.
Why don't you roll that window down?
That's not the problem.
A weird cut. Just leave it. Nobody's gonna see it.
We are a quality business, sir.
What is it?
Quality.
Quality.
We're a quality business.
Quality. I was just joking.
All right, I got it.
See? Look at this little blue snowman. Ah!
All right. Boom.
Boom.
That's all I've got done today.
2 wrap mirrors.
2 mirrors and then that piece.
And 1 double dicker.
What?
Hey, do the flap of the mirrors thing so they can see how far you had to go in with this darn vinyl.
All right.
Now.
Wow. You are some bossy some.
You were a bossy something.
Yeah, so basically.
This thing stays on all the time.
I've had to do it one way to where I wrap this section with the mirror facing this way. And then the mirror won't fold. What did you
Because
do?
the door's closed.
No, you can get this. Look, you shut it off.
That's why it's been on?
The door's open. It thinks that there's somebody in it. That you need all the electronics to work or something.
Well,
All right.
I'm
Basically,
coming back.
back to the little key card thing.
Key card.
So So basically, you gotta wrap it to where it looks good with the mirror this way. But when you leave the car, the mirrors are gonna fold. So you gotta make sure all this up under here is all wrapped black, and make sure this under here is wrapped. That way it looks good even when it's closed. Because otherwise you'll get some people that'll just do like what it looks like when it's normally driving, or when it's like this, and then you go and you start driving and it changes, and then you'll start seeing like a chrome under it and whatnot. So we made sure to do it the right way.
So, y'all were over on a tripod.
Oh, is that what
I didn't tell you this before, but you were on that tripod and you were looking at me spraying this booty. It looks very interesting right now with the paper on. But yeah, it came out pretty good. Pretty good. I think so.
I think it's looking nice, like.
Alright.
So we're trying to figure out what we're gonna do. Keep it satin to kind of go with the wheels, and kind of accent the trims and emblems. Accentuate the stuff here. That way, it's not just like. In some cases, like gloss on gloss looks really good, but because back here there would be nothing to kind of allow the wheels
contrast
and everything. We just mumbling.
Oh, whatever. I thought you were going somewhere with this.
But then you said contrast, and I was slowing up. But yeah, so basically, I think we're just gonna keep a satin finish on this specific area, just to give it a little bit of definition. And then the window trims and the handles and stuff, those are all going to be gloss. But, yeah, I don't think it'll look bad. Because the wheels, like, if y'all look at the wheels, like, they're already satin black, too.
Sateen.
So it's already giving it a little bit of a different look, so.
Oh, look, we wrapped the handle. I say we because I laid the vinyl and this man cut it. It's a team effort, okay, guys? Yeah. Team effort. But, yeah, look at that difference. Look at that difference. Oh, chrome, ew, black, yeah. Chrome, ew, black, yeah. Subway commercial?
Eat fresh.
Eat fresh with old Jared.
What?
Oh, what you doing there? Oh, don't show that. It's a trade secret. Don't look. You can't see. So he's gonna wrap this little camera that breaks pretty easily. Apparently. Apparatusly. Oh, look what this man did, y'all.
What I do?
Look at all this. Look at all.
Creating
this.
greatness is what I did.
He's creating greatness.
That's what it is.
Y'all see this thing from time to time, but look. Look at these bars.
Yeah.
Look at these bars. This thing about to be a wheelie machine.
Y'all ain't ready for it. Yeah, it's gonna be though, 'cause we're gonna make a video on it. We're gonna bring Pumpkin back to this.
Ooh, y'all know what pumpkin is?
Y'all,
Do they know what pumpkin is? They've seen it before.
Yeah, but I don't know if we've ever really.
It was in the Corolla video.
Was it?
Yeah, because I came in dancing for your birthday with my helmet on.
Yeah, but we ain't never like actually been like, this is Pumpkin.
Oh,
this is
yeah.
my 08 CBR 1000 that doesn't burn oil.
Sure does. That's all right. Just keep some in your backpack.
Yeah, just a little bottle of your thing.
Oh, we're going to watch you wrap this real quick.
All right. That's going to do a little time-lapse footage.
No.
I mean, vlog.
Yeah, we're going to vlog it right meow. And why are you starting on the driver's side? That's against your rules.
Well, I'm already here.
Oh.
And plus, I've done one of these before, so technically I don't have to do the...
Oh, because you a baller.
It's on the vehicles I've never touched before that I always say.
Never done. Look at them gauges, though, y'all. Look, this man upgraded. He blinging.
So right now, I am getting the vinyl up to this very edge, and just trying to make sure it's all the way to the edge I need it to be. And then there's a small little line right here that I'm going to have to follow with my little wrap pick, which is a tool I use to tuck and
Is it
cut.
like a guitar pick?
Nah.
He said,
Nah.
yeah.
It's this thing, and it allows me to get like really down and deep into these edges.
Trust me, if you don't have a brand new one, they're worthless.
Fact. Because they'll just cut your vinyl up, and then
They won't even tuck all the way.
Yeah. You should not do that.
Oh no! Ooh, we dropped the squeegee. You might want to get that. Oh man.
I always worried about my face.
It's a good focus face.
Is it?
Oh, he raised up his elbow. Or watch out. I can see our heads in the paint.
Oh, in the paint.
Dang, look at that. Look at all them hands being used. I have a bad problem with keeping my left hand just like kind of
Limp dick.
it's like doesn't help. Oh, his knee.
Wow.
All
You
he's
just
cutting.
messed me up.
Nah, you're good.
Thank
You
you.
can go through a tornado
Ooh,
and
Well.
still cut straight.
that's debatable.
No, I think you can do it. Do the armpit shot. I got the between the legs shot, the armpit shot. Face. Oh man. Guess we should focus on the cutting out your face.
Probably, since we're trying to show them what I'm doing.
Booty's done. Use the old paper. All this still needs to be wrapped. We'll get to that. Use the old paper like I said I would for the front. That looks custom. So we can coat that. The pieces behind there already got wrapped by the master. He's currently, yeah, you don't have to open the back door. He's currently wrapping these trims. Trim, and door handle. Whoa.
It stopped.
No, that's it.
What?
Yeah, that's it.
No.
Yeah.
It can go higher than that. This thing be going all the way to where the two
Things
these
touch.
portions are like.
What else is it doing right now?
I think it's because it sensed that I was right here.
Tesla paint's bad or what?
Yeah, man.
Tesla,
This,
the clear coat.
the clear coat's coming off of
So
like.
this is a 2018, and I don't know if y'all can. Nah. Yeah, right.
It's gonna be hard to see it.
Let's see. Right there ish. Anyways, yeah, pulling the vinyl, the excess vinyl off is pulling the clear.
And we're not even like doing anything crazy.
No.
It's literally just happening from the vinyl touching.
I'd expect this
The
from
door.
like a 20-year-old car.
Yeah,
Not
like
a
not a 18,
Ford?
not a Tesla. I mean, Teslas do have issues. Like if you don't know, Teslas actually do have a lot of issues.
If you don't know, then now you know.
So yeah, Teslas are actually known for not having that good of paint quality, but I didn't expect it to be like this. Like I don't know if they could see, but yeah, I mean,
Yeah, it was kind of hard to pick up.
just from the vinyl like touching onto the paint and then removing the excess, like right under the window trim, it's just causing like the clear to come up. It did the same thing right here under the door handle. And I'm like being as gentle as possible because the last thing I want is for the clear to start running down into the door and it's going to look horrible. Luckily with that, it's not like too noticeable, but it's still obviously unfortunate.
Hey, guess what?
What?
I messed up.
You did what?
So
Why did
did.
you pick the camera up? What did you do?
Well, that was black. So,
Oh. What?
so I sprayed right here, and then it was gonna run, so I blew it, and so I made it
Like you can't be putting your mouth on everything.
drastic temperature change.
Yeah. That's what would be.
So I gotta respray it now. I was almost done too. So, update, sad update. But it's all right. It's gonna be all right. Everything's gonna be all right.
Could be worse, you know. Could be like you did the whole car, like you wrapped like a whole bumper.
Yeah.
And at the end of it, you like cut it.
Right.
And that kind of scared me because I forgot there was paint issues.
Yeah, slow down, Pimpin'.
Wrapped up all these trim pieces. He got them all cut up. There's some hair in there. Yeah, don't look at that.
It's all wrapped up, y'all.
Y'all? That's because we're from Texas.
It's all wrapped up.
The only thing we gotta really do in the morning is grab us a little toothpick.
Yeah, to get
Not to pick nothing out of our teeth.
Nah, but to get the O's out.
You
Gotta get the O's out and the D.
There he is.
And in there. Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Yeah.
That's all, folks. Climb pick up in the morning.
I don't know about morning, but
Well,
they'll be picking
climb
up tomorrow.
Climb pick up tomorrow at some point in that day.
Yeah, that day. Tomorrow's the day.
Tomorrow is the day
Yeah.
that the client picks up.
So we're gonna show you guys this outside tomorrow when it's bright outside.
Yeah. No chrome.
It's gonna look good. I mean,
No,
it
no.
already looks good, but
Yeah.
it's not like anything's gonna change because it's already done.
Right.
We're just gonna show y'all so y'all can see how good it looks.
Facts.
That's the move.
That's the move.
All right.
All right. Night night. Bye bye Model X.
Right.
Good job, buddy. Black on black's the way to go. Here at Black Label,
Right.
all he needs is some black reflective.
Black.
Good old black reflective.
Yeah, we ain't put no black reflective here.
We could have put it down there.
Yeah.
Missed opportunity. I wonder how that looks going down the road.
What?
Because Courtney's or Steven sent me a Snapchat of Courtney's when
Of
she
the
was
spot?
driving,
Yeah.
and bro, them
It's
things
just
look
gonna
like
be
an
out all
LED
the
light.
time. Yeah. Yeah, going down the road, especially at night. I mean, everybody's gonna be behind her with headlights.
Right.
So, yeah.
It looks like it's in reverse the whole time. Bye bye Tessa. It's driving by itself.
Car falls apart.
Oh god.
Over the chrome delete. That's crazy. He wasn't even like one of those customers that like was super like looking into like.
He said it looks good from 10 feet away.
Yeah.
I'm Gucci.
I thought he was gonna be like a super like real particular like I gotta inspect it type of client.
Yeah.
But that's probably partly my fault because the last client that I had, he was like that, so I'm kind of just basing it off of that when I know.
You're traumatized.
Yeah, all people aren't the same.
He's traumatized, man. Ooh, look at this thing. What's this? Samaro. Gonna do some work on it today.
There's that, the Brilliant,
Yeah.
the RFB4.
You won't close this out? he's all drifting away. He got distracted by a motorcycle.
Well, that's it for this one. Well, they
That's
can't
all,
see me, so it
folks.
doesn't matter.
Why don't we do this?
There we go.
Yeah.
You know, still. It's new.
No,
Man,
it's all you.
I get right here. I'm over here.
It's all you.
At you.
It's all you.
No.
Yeah. Yeah, bro. You something else.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, get back in angle. Come on.
Man, over here.
No. You could be right here.
All right.
There you go.
Nah, keep it the same
Nah,
angle. So
you went
yeah,
way out of
show.
range. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. We love y'all. Bye.